Welcome back to Big Easy Garage. I'm Jason, and today we're going to be working on the old shop truck. Let's check it out. It's time to change out these headlight housings and these bumper light housings. These are really yellowed out and they're not looking real good, kind of old and dingy. So we picked up some inexpensive, cheap smoked headlight or bumper housings. Here, these are here. These are headlight housings, and then of course our bumper light housings. We've already got the MK LEDs in the highs and lows. We went ahead and picked up a set of just regular daytime running light LEDs and some amber turn signals to put in here. So let's get this unboxed. Let's get this all taken off the truck and let's get it together. All right, the first thing we got to do is push tabs here that have to come off so we get the grill out. And then on these headlights, there's just these two pins that you snap off and pull up. So we're gonna take those off there, and that allows the front lights to come out. So we're gonna do that. Just pull this there, and pull that up. Then next we're gonna work on getting these pull tabs or push tabs off. Flathead screwdriver. There's a little indentation there. Just kind of work it up a little bit. Get those pulled up. And they come right out. So we'll finish this up. And we'll get that off. You know, the good thing about buying a used car is most of them are missing already. They've already done half the job for you. So sometimes they can be a little bit of a bugger, but just work it out and they'll come out. These can also have been replaced. They can be replaced. A lot of times AutoZone and O'Reilly's, places like that, will have these push tabs on their help aisle, the Dorman help aisle. And you can get a pack of them for a few bucks. So not to worry if you're missing some like we are. We're not gonna worry about putting them back in, but if I was that worried about it, I could just go to Dorman help aisle and grab a few more. Dirt Diver's Nest, you know, you're shopping in the southern part of the United States. All right, deleted on that. Now this, it's got some sort of tab there. I got to figure that out. And it pulls a couple clips on the back. So when you pull this out, just make sure not to break it. It's got some little pins that kind of guide, and they will snap off real easy. Let me grab something a little bit bigger. There we go. Off there. Got one there. Got one back there. then it should just pop off from the sides. We can go ahead and remove these. Pull out from the front and straight out that way. Like I said, we already have our LEDs, so we're just gonna hang those for the moment. Don't want to damage those. Old. Let's twist these. Got the old ones out. It's time to see if we can ease this out. This little pin right here. There we go. Same way on this side. There we go. Hold on to that. That. All right, pull the grill out. We're gonna clean this up and get this repainted today. All right, now down here, there is a clip on the side, and right here. Just pull this tab in here and pull it out, and they come out like that. This tab right here on the back side, push it in, pull the back out. And there we go. Easy peasy. There are 3 lights in here. I did not know that. Ooh, that was nice. Good encryption. All right, here's the grill to the truck. As you can see, it has seen better days. It's just old and faded. It's what, 22 years old? It's a 2002 truck. So we're gonna tape up the plastic, clean it up real good, and just shoot it with a coat of paint just to clean it up and brighten it up. But let's do that real quick. I'm gonna tape this off, clean it up, and then we're gonna just spray a couple of coats on it to clean it up, and we'll show you the after process. All right, we got the grill ready to go. We got it taped up good enough. We got it kind of cleaned up a little bit. It's still kind of dirty, but like I say, she's 22 years old. We're going to use the Rust-Oleum Custom Boss Nardo Gray. I don't know. It's just something I picked up at the AutoZone. But we're going to spray it, coat it, get it looking a little bit better than what it is. Got our paint table set up. Got everything taped up the way we want it. You want to run a couple of coats on it just to try to coat it, make it look a little bit better from far away. Definitely not going to be perfect, But it'll look better than the spots where it's just completely sun-washed and beat up from 22 years of abuse from the sun and elements. All right. Why do they make these things so hard to get off? There we go. You just gotta do it. All right, here we go. We'll give it a couple cups, let it tack up. Couple cups, let it tack up. And then we'll probably spray 1 or 2 medium coats on it. All right, we're gonna let that tack up. We'll do a couple more coats to show you the finished product. All right, we got her painted up. Looks like she's did a pretty good job. Starting to dry now and get that nice color to it. Couple spots that were dirty on it that I didn't clean very well. Got a little bit of trash in it, but overall looking pretty good. We're gonna let it dry up and get the tape off, get it on the truck, and show you guys what the finished product is. This is that Rust-Oleum that I was using. So it sprayed pretty good, but you definitely got to keep your can upright. But you can see some of the trash that was there, right there in the corner. That's the worst part. Everything else turned out perfect, but that one little corner looked pretty bad. But hey, it's part of it. All right, we're gonna let this dry and get the tape off, get it on the truck, show you what it looks like. All right, there you have it, folks. The grill is now painted. Our smoke headlights are in. The paint job turned out extremely well on the grill. I need to go back in and do some paint work chrome work, kind of polish up the plastic. But I mean, looks really good for just a few bucks. I think I paid between 60 and 80 bucks for all 4 of the smoke headlights on Amazon. $12 in paint on the bumper or the grill. A couple bucks on bulbs. Good looking truck. So we just got finished working on the old shop truck there. Decided to take a cruise for a little while. It's such a beautiful day. So I picked up my dad, say hello, Dad. And we're gonna go to a little impromptu car show that we found and go check it out. So come along, let's go check out some cars. Got a nice little C10 there. That's actually a buddy of mine's. It's really good looking truck. Nice little patina paint job on it. It's good looking wheels on it. Let's take a look at it. First time I think I've seen it up close. The AC delete, heater box delete. Oh yeah, got the old interior, the Mexican blanket interior. I like it. It's a good looking truck. I wanted to buy it off of him at one point in time. He's also got the Suburban. What, Dad? Fuel cell. Yeah, he's got a nice little fuel cell back there. There's the Suburbans. He just put, I think it's 3/4 ton springs or maybe 1 ton springs and axles under it. Sitting on a set of Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses and the fuzzy dice. Well, there's plenty here to see. So let's go take a look, get some more stuff going on. I think we find a little Hemi Grimmy maybe? I don't know. Let's go take a look at that and check it out. All right, maybe not the Hemi Grimmy, but it's still really cool. Is a Gremlin. Really nice blower sticking out of the hood. Twin Edelbrock carburetors. Pretty cool little rig. Pretty cool little rig. Check out the little gear shifter in there. Similar to the old cue ball style. Oh, stickers galore. Really cool. You see all kinds of stuff at car shows. I love it. Nice aftermarket gauges. That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Man, got some really cool little hot rods out here. That's one wicked ride. Got a nice C10. It's another friend of mine's. Step side. Just had it completely redone. Did a great job on it. It's LS swap. Take a look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Super nice. I think I found Santa Claus. Sit behind this Fox body. We're gonna go check him out. Let's check this little thing out. Mississippi Highway Patrol Safety. Courtesy, service, and safety. This is a cool little rig. I see this one at several of the car shows that we go to. But it's really clean, really clean. Super nice. Just a cool looking car. State Trooper. Super nice. How you doing? Beautiful car. Well, all of them. The Santa Patrol. Gotta love it. You see this one around during the holiday season. It'll cruise town quite a bit. Super fun car to see in town. Good looking car to see in person. Nice little Camaro SS. Interior, exterior, wheels. Man, this thing is dolled up. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Stacks are 2 stories high. And the patina's got an awesome clear coat on it. Let's go take a look at it. Well, Cummins powered. Look at this.
For them.
See the reflection? Oh, that seat's gorgeous too. Man, this thing, I can't see it too well, but man. It's really cool. Hanging out with Dad, checking out some cars, trucks, obviously SUVs. There's a nice little C10 there. Super beautiful paint job. I even like the spray and bed liner in this thing. Looks great. Nice back glass. Oh, IROC Z. 3rd gen. Check out this little bus. That's pretty cool. Let's look at the back. Huh. Too cool. Too cool. Got the surfboard on top. Can you guys see that? What do you think, Dad? You driving?
Yeah.
Willwood brakes. This thing's pretty dolled up, man. You got your passenger. You ride in the HOV lane. Super cool. I just stumbled upon this little Camaro SS. That little mint green is beautiful. Black vinyl top, polished intake, nice little small block. It's a big kind of car that I like to have. Sunny drive. Trip down to the casino. Good louver. It's a good looking car, my goodness. You guys should see this thing in the sunlight. It is just absolutely beautiful. Oh, there's so much more to see. It's a nice little Ford there, that four-wheel drive. That was a good looking truck. We walked around it a minute ago. It's really nice. There's pearl white on this car right here too. My gosh. And this truck, they're both about the same color. Right now in this sun, they're just gleaming. Let's take a look at the inside of this truck. Y'all tell us what you like more, the cars or the trucks. Obviously, as y'all can tell, I'm more of a truck fan, but I've got appreciation for the cars too. Little LS, look at that. Man, that thing's beautiful. Let's go take a look at some more. That Impala though, my gosh. Oh, look at this. Can y'all see the detail work on this? The scroll work is awesome. And it's got a nice little LS in it too. LS swap the world. Still at the car show. I got a set of C10s. You guys like the step side or the fleet side? I don't know, man. I'm kind of digging this purple. This purple and black's kind of where it's at. Spraying bed liner, interior. I don't know if you guys can see this, but console, interior. Oh man, it's beautiful. I don't know, Dad. I'm kind of digging this black and purple one. It's been swapped. Looking really nice. We're back in the shop, Chuck. It's been an awesome day today. Got to check out some really cool cars with my dad, hang out with him and wrench on this a little bit. Just been a good day all in all. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please, if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a great deal. We're trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. I think we've got like 46. It's a slow go, but we're getting there. Also, if you don't mind, leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing, what you want to see in videos. Tell us what your favorite car is. Let's do that. Tell us what your favorite car, truck, SUV, whatever your project is, what do you drive daily. Just give us a comment and tell us what it is. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up.